Okay, guys, it's Wednesday, 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing a market little analysis. This is what I do every morning. I'm just doing it now because I have to go to school and I won't be able to record my trades. So I'm doing an analysis now. What I noticed on the daily, which is what I started with, we do have a daily S&T. Nasdaq didn't sweep out this highs right now or yet, and ES did, and we have this daily imbalance. I'm scaling down. Yesterday, the only confluence we had to short, right when market opened, was an SMT, and it ended up being beautifully. So, I'm looking and I'm looking, but we do have an SMT. 4 hour. mm, We have this is all like low resistance liquidity, but there is a daily or an SMT to the downside. Let me look. We've been extremely bullish. God damn. Asian and London have been bullish. Bam, 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 and then down there. So I just want to mark out the same levels on both, and I don't know how to mark. I'm gonna. So those are the levels that I have marked out on both. I low key might look for shorts. But that's all I'm necessarily seeing. I mean, this hour, we're respecting bullish gaps and moving up, but we did sweep out liquidity here, you know. I'm gonna wait and see what market wants to do. I'm gonna be looking for shorts. So, um, when I come back from school, I'll do a trade recap because by the time I come back from school, it'll be like one something, so I won't be taking any trades after I get home. So if I don't take anything at school, I won't be trading. But right now, I'm just gonna wait until New York opens, and I might actually be driving, but I should be home. The goal is to be back by 9:50, or like in class by 9:50, so I could trade. But so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Alright guys, this will be fucking my shortest video ever. But just going over price action today because this trade did not work out. But just going over price today, I really didn't take anything because there was nothing going on. I was looking here. Um, my account balance is only up like $50, so it's really like whatever the fuck. But just to go over price, because we really didn't do jack shit. And let me tell you why I don't think we did jack shit. Because I do think that there's a very valid reason. Um, like knowing that we go up, I'm not even looking. Bam. I just cut off all of it. Let's trade when this hits, like I don't really want to look for a trade the first 10 minutes because you kind of have to let price marinate. So let's let price marinate. Okay, bam. What do we see? Well, this is bullshit because I know that we go up. So you can literally just buy right here. Is there anything to the fucking left? Okay. Let's kind of give it away because it'll tell me, but I don't know. Fuck that. You would, put on or put take profits somewhere. We manipulated higher. We have this big 1 minute. We're fucking around in it. We're fucking around in it. We're fucking around in it. If you scale out a little bit, we're rounding about. Mm, mm, We don't have a 5 minute. So let's let this play. So say you want to look for longs. What would you wait for? Well, no, I don't know, because I know for a fact of what we do. Like right here, you should have entered. If you, I mean, you could probably just buy right. Yeah. How much are you up right here? Points wise? Fucking 30 points? Yeah. No. But let's just exit replay mode. Today's price action, today, there really wasn't a whole. The only thing that was kind of nice was this 5 minute fair value gap, but it was at 10 o'clock. This was the only trade that was kind of nice. We had this 5 minute fair value gap. We came down, blah, 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 blah. We closed back up here. I would have wanted to scale in. This was that wick. I would have wanted to scale in and then wait for something. We have a little inverse right here. Uh, nothing on the two. Nothing on the three. It's just on the five. So let's just say you entered on this long. It looks like you actually would have been stopped out. But if you entered on this inverse and we came back, so let's just say you got the best entry possible, and you did something like this. You could have done break even here, take off maybe, because at 25 points, I probably would have taken some off. Now you could either put your stop all the way down here, and if you put it all the way down there, it saved you. But I would have preferred to just probably re-enter, to be honest. Take profit. I would have taken profit around 25 points. Like if it was an express account, I would have taken profit around the 20 to 25 point range, and then the rest go break even. And then if we ended up getting these moved back down, I would have been out. And then you could still be looking for a trade, but then we're just kind of moving sideways. We broke out. We had a 1 minute fair value gap here. I actually kind of like these longs too. I'm not gonna lie. Like you would enter around here, target up because your stop loss would be kind of tight. It would be like 11 points. I would risk only right there because I'm entering. Well, if you're entering off this inverse, you could put it like. Let's see. I would have put it probably like around here. 11 points. I mean, you were never in drawdown. Fuck, beautiful. Let's just be honest. Price action today was fucking shit. There's nothing going on here. You know, we did market open. Market opened. We kind of just went up, went sideways, went up, and then we've been moving sideways. Why do I think price is really, really shit? Mm, let me tell you why. We have all these draws on liquidity here, right? You can see it on Nasdaq. We had all these draws on liquidity for Nasdaq that I wanted to see hit, and we opened up. Where did we open? We opened. I don't want to do 3 o'clock. Wait a minute. We go to New York Open, and then here go to New York. I can't go to replay mode on this one. No, I can't. Well, just keep in mind. See how still have these draws on liquidity here that look really nice, right? If you look on ES, we opened up here. We already took out all of them. You know, because this. Let's be honest. This is a what 400 or 500 point move. You're not catching. You're probably gonna catch like a little move up here. Man, we opened. Well, this is showing 9 o'clock, but it's showing 9 to 10 o'clock. So, and at that point, I don't even think we took out this level yet, or maybe we did. But we had these, and then up here, right? So we have these on ES, but we already took out all of these. We took out high time frame targets on ES already, and not NQ prior to New York Open, but the draw on liquidity was higher, so that's why we did end up taking these out. But that's why price action was so shit in doing so. It wasn't. Look at this shit. It looks like a middle finger. Why does it kind of look like a middle finger? Wait a minute. How do I draw a brush? Like a hand, finger, middle finger, the other finger. Like it kind of looks like a middle finger. Like it's flipping you off. Funny. Um, but yeah, it looks the same too. But I think everybody can you just scale out and look. Like what the fuck? I think everybody can admit today's price action was dog shit. Like you could have, if you didn't like anything here, I probably would have taken a trade somewhere here, either for a loss or like $300 win. And on an express account, but fine. But on a combine, I'm kind of glad I didn't see that shit. But I was looking for a trade since like 10 o'clock, and we were just moving sideways. Okay, 11:15. Here, I was going to my other class. So when I came back and I looked at the market, we were like up here already. And I was like, well, damn. And then, I mean, you could have caught shorts here, but it was just shit price action. Like, if you look on the 1 minute, it was, and my computer was dying. Like, I was looking at this and I was like, I don't know. I don't know why. Because you actually could have shorted here. But overall, price action was shit. For tomorrow, apparently we have President Trump speaking, and it's actually a big news event at 11. I'm gonna try and be done with trading before that. I'm gonna try and take a trade by, not by, but between like 9:45 and 11, or 9:40 and 11. Make mine, money, and then call it a day. Maybe make $1,000 because I'm probably gonna have to take 3 days to pass these accounts anyway because they're at around break even. Someone fucking Dodgy just tweeted that this is the worst price action that he's ever seen. Not ever seen, but this is the worst price action I've seen known to mankind. If you are consistently green every day using an idiot-proof strategy, hit my DMs and teach me. He's not wrong. Teach me too. This is fucking crazy price action. But Trump just became president. Like, I don't know, maybe he needs like a week to like figure out what the fuck he wants to do. And like NQ was going up, and then ES was kind of just fucking diddling daddling around. Anyway, so tomorrow is we have unemployment claims at 8:30, which is whatever. I don't trade pre-market, and then we have Trump speaking at 11. I don't know how that'll affect the market. Maybe that's true. And then Friday we have PMI. If everything goes great, I will be trading on a not a live account, but on an express account on Tuesday. So then I'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then and then Monday, and then maybe Tuesday. I don't know. I don't know. And I'm watching fucking TJR teach Togi Toji Togi how to trade, and it's fucking funny. But yeah, today's price action was shit. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Is this recording? Yeah. This is a short fucking video. I'm not even gonna edit this. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.